So today I'm going to try on this set of Cat Eye CurvLife Press-On Nails. These are the real ones, not the knockoffs. They're the #1 brand in press-on nails right now. So they're really comfortable and they're really nice. They're really durable and they look so much like a real acrylic set from the salon. So let's get them on. Open the box. This comes with all of the instructions on the back side. These are the instructions for the glue that is attached or that is included with the press-on nails. This is just your typical nail glue, like the super glue-esque nail glue that we're all used to. Tried and true, old reliable. Like having that as a backup, but today I'm going to use the gel. This is a hard curing, quick drying nail glue, but it doesn't require any UV light to activate it or to harden it up. And I know this brand also has the hard gel glue that is like a thicker glue that you scoop it out and then, you know, press it in and then put it on your nail, and you have to activate that with the UV light. This one you do not activate with the UV light. So it also comes with the temporary ones. You know, if you just wanted to wear your press-ons for one night or for a special occasion, you didn't need them to last very long, you could use these adhesive pads. I'm not going to use those. I don't like those at all. I tend to be a glue them on and make sure that they stay for a long time. So, a couple of things that we got to do, a little matter of preparation. I'm gonna push back our cuticles, just kind of clean up that whole line. Make sure we got nice surfaces too. Make sure push back. Don't mind that little hang nail. Cuticle. This one's stick. All the way around. You're just gonna feel it here better. You can find the surface of the nail. We can include every board, two-sided board with buffer and softer surface. We're gonna go over the surface of the nail. We can rough it up a little bit. If that one's on the stick too. You know, too smooth surface, you know. We'll rough it up. The whole surface of the nail can generally rough up a little bit. Get that shine off the surface of the nail. Not too hard, just a little, you know. Make the surface off a little bit. Right. Just get here, we're not gonna go. I'm gonna start with the stick ones in the back there, you know, with standard, most average sizes. That's gonna be good for the middle finger. Let me show you. Yeah, some of the things are for both hands. So usually you identify. Just make sure it fits really comfortably side to side from cuticle to cuticle. There's no overlap. You also don't need that. You don't look under and see that there's some space where your real nails are. You want to make sure that's nice, secure, sidewall to sidewall fit. You've got plenty of sizes to choose from, so just go through and make sure you find the right fit for you for each nail. That's a little bit too small, so I'm going to put this size here a little bit larger. And the pinky. Now, something that's pinky, so everything is small. So you don't want this one. That one's too small, too big. That's it. That's it. Okay. That was a fail. Big one. Just dump all over me. Okay, so now that we found all the right sizes, and we've got them all laid out, the surface of our nails have been buffed. Then we're going to go over the surface of our nails with just a little nail polish remover with some acetone. Got to make sure that all of the surfaces are nice and clean, free of any oils, things like that that might interrupt or interfere with the glue sticking very well. So I'm going to start with this guy. I already put a pinky on so that I could see how much glue to use. You really got to be careful not to use too much glue. I think that that's the trick with pretty much anything. You don't want to use too much because this is a hard drying and fast drying solid nail glue. Too much glue is going to create a real problem for you because it will ooze out the side, around the edges, and then end up all over your cuticles, and you'll find yourself icky picking all over your cuticles to get that glue off, and it's not nice. It'll cause you some problems, so just go really easy on the glue, okay? Next trick is that you press the glue down, but then you kind of give it a little swipe so that you're smearing that glue over the entire surface of the nail, and then press it back down again and give it like a good hold for 10 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Now, that baby ain't going nowhere. Look at these nails. Are those stunning or what? Oh my God, I love them. They're so pretty. Okay, let's go through quickly and do the rest of them. So now they've all been glued down. I'm going to try to wipe off any excess with a little bit of rubbing alcohol if I've gotten any excess, but I don't think I have. I've done pretty well. So the other last thing to do is just a matter of touch up. Just hit these ends. I've got a little, you can see there's a little, probably from the manufacturing process or whatever, the little tip there on the end. Just want to kind of tip those off. You want to use the pink side for that so that you don't scuff the nail up too much. Just get those little tips rounded off. Okay. Last thing I always like to do is I just throw a little bit of cuticle treatment or cuticle oil on. Rub that all around. This will also help loosen up any of the, you know, if you did get a little too much glue on there and it did ooze out on you, getting a little cuticle oil on there as quickly as possible will help loosen that up and help you get that off without damaging your skin too much, you know. The whole reason that I started doing these press-ons instead of the salon was because I didn't like how I had to constantly go in and get my nails drilled on, drilled and filled on all the time for them to look nice. It was very expensive. It was a lot of time. Then there's also, you know, the added expense of like having to tip somebody. I know that like times are hard and like it's expensive just to get the nails done, and then the added like pressure and expense of like, you know, tipping this very worthy person who's spent a lot of time working on you, and they absolutely deserve the tip. But girl, we are on a budget. So this is the alternative, my loves. You know, my nails are actually healing. My cuticles are healing. My budget is healing, and I don't feel the need to sit in a nail salon with somebody talking smack about me in another language. Just kidding. I mean, just, you know, and you never know. And these are just, they're so nice. It's a really good alternative. They look so beautiful. They're comfortable to wear. And then when you're done and you want to take them off, it's not going into the salon for a soak off. You just use the nail glue remover and take them right off. But in the meantime, I have what looks like a beautiful salon set. And my hands are feeling and looking nice. I don't know. Are you sold? Are you into press-ons? Or are you sticking with the old acrylics and the salons? Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you think and what you do. So when is the last time you got a manicure and a pedicure, full set, completely done, for under $30? $30 is what I spent to have my nails and my toes done. And they look just as cute as if I had spent 3 hours in a salon breathing in fumes and chemicals and had spent $200, $300 in a salon. My budget girlies, this is the hack. Don't sleep on it. With the discounts on the website right now and the additional 15% off with the app, girl, you're gonna be looking cute every day on a budget. Right now they have free shipping on all orders over $50 on their website. And if you download the app, there's an exclusive offer for 15% off with code APP15. Otherwise, there's lots of other discounts and promotions available on the website that you should totally check out. These are some of the best fitting and most durable press-on nails that I've ever used. They're absolutely saving my nails and my budget. 100% recommend this site. Every product I've gotten from them has just been outstanding, and the prices are really good as well. Don't sleep on it.